Let's review how to use the Video Screen Recorder accordion on the video editor page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the video editor page. Scroll down and click on the Video Screen Recorder accordion title bar to access this resource. This tool captures your screen activity directly from your browser without requiring any software installation. Click the Share Screen button to choose what you want to record. A specific browser tab, an application window, or your entire display. Enable the audio toggle to capture sound alongside your visuals. A live preview confirms your selection before recording begins. Hit record when ready, and pause anytime to skip sensitive content or interruptions. Stop recording whenever you're finished. Review footage at adjustable speeds to catch details or scan. Picture-in-picture keeps your video visible while using other Toolkit.law tools simultaneously. Export your screen capture in multiple formats, or use the Reset button to clear and start fresh. You can share securely through encrypted links, email, or feedback options without uploading to third-party servers. This tool is perfect for documenting hearings, preserving evidence, recording negotiations, and creating training materials. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Video Screen Recorder accordion.